Hey y'all, Stimpy Willis. Again, this is my 1999 Honda 400EX. I'm getting a little frustrated here. I haven't been able to get it running, and I've sank a lot of money into it already. I've only bought this for $400, and I probably sunk about $300 in it just in parts. So I'm stumped. I don't know. I'm hoping somebody out there can help me. And I'm just kind of running out of options and ideas here, and I'm hoping maybe a fresh mind or somebody with some fresh ideas can help me out. So anyways, to let you know, so far what I've done since I've had this bike, I went ahead and I got a whole new wire harness here. I ordered this and I ran it. It's all connected, if you can't tell or you see. Sorry, I'm doing this off of the phone, so quality might not be that great. Also, I went ahead and I got a new solenoid. I also got a new relay here, neutral relay or negative relay. I can't remember what it's called. I've got the neutral switch. I think it was a neutral switch relay. I've checked to make sure it's plugged in and everything. It's fine. This is all still part of the new harness here. I got a new switch right here. The only thing new I haven't done yet is I haven't got a new one of these. I'm still waiting on a CDI box. This is the old one. I've checked it with the multimeter, and I'm getting readings from it. So I don't know what's going on here. I haven't replaced the coil here for the spark plug down here. I don't know if you can tell with my hand in the way or not, but I haven't done anything with that yet. I also haven't done anything with the starter, and I haven't done any new wire for the starter here, just because I took the starter off and I hooked it up to jumper cables, and it came right on with doing that. So I'm thinking that's fine, and I haven't messed again with getting a starter or even the wire, because I figure since it worked for me with the jumper cables, it's fine. And I don't know if this is the stator or the alternator that this wire goes to, but I haven't messed with this yet either. But pretty much everything else I've changed out, and I'm running out of ideas here. I've even replaced the key switch here, and as you can tell, I'm still getting no green light. I had the green light come on me one time, and as soon as it did, I went to go pull in the clutch and hit the start button, and it sounded like I was getting clicking noises down here from the solenoid. And then after that, the light went out, and it hasn't came back on since. And also to this day, now I'm not getting no clicking noises from the solenoid. I've also replaced all this. I got a new bulb for it. I also got the new this part right here, and I even got new wiring right here. I don't know if it makes any difference or not, but I don't have any lights set up right now. I don't know if that could be maybe the issue or what, but I've replaced just about everything on this, and I'm still not getting, it seems like, nowhere. And we checked all of this with a multimeter, and everything's showing that it's getting readings. So I don't know what's left really to do. I just would like to get it running. So if anybody can offer up any ideas, suggestions, I really would appreciate it, and I would really like to get this going. This has been a project bike for me. I was diagnosed with cancer last year in August, and I've been out of work since then, and I've really had a hard time dealing with being out of work and feeling like I'm not earning my keep. And this has really kind of helped me keep my mind off that, and I just would really like to, be done and have it finally going. So again, if anybody can help me out and offer any kind of suggestions, I really would appreciate it. This is Stimpy Willis, and I guess I'll be signing off. Thank you, and have a good day, all right? Peace.